Alright people, just cry look, you see it? Miss my family, you see it? And this?
Gate number 2.
Alright.
Keep going straight down and you'll see direction.
Alright, thank you. Yeah guys, I'm trying to find my gate. Yeah guys, so I'm on the plane now. Father God alone, yeah man, God is the greatest. Yeah guys, big up on yourself now man, I see it. Don't know say I text me there and people, I see it. Yeah man. Remember to like, share and subscribe. In this video, I'm gonna show you my final preparation. So stick around for this exciting vlog. You get what I say? In this vlog, we are gonna show you how I prepare myself. People say that no one, I just got a barber and one thing. Yeah people, some of those, as me telling you, some of those done to me here, see there? So this is the first preparation. Then know some I cut tomorrow, so that or that. So the barber tell me something to link him 6 o'clock. When I reach home, I gotta start the little packing, so I can stick around for the packing video too. So the packing video and the barber video, and then tomorrow we are gonna do some little vlog seeing way while we're on the way. Alright, big up. Yeah people, so this is the day, is it? This is the day that the penultimate day I may have to make a move. That's how I'm interested.
When you do it, I can't call her when we ring. You have the socks, when you go in, you put on the socks.
See the people. Yeah people, right now. Yeah, remember to like, share and subscribe. So I'm gonna show you how I'm going. Go up on the airport, plane, every little thing we're gonna show you. So I'll just stay tuned. See the people? Yeah man, backpack. Everything packed and ready, you see it? Yeah man.
You can't fight it. About 3 times now me cry. We soon gone man, I work as and next time we'll call you on video. Next time when you call us on video call. Which one of them?
beer in there down.
Okay.
Hello, find your fear.
Oh,
Your fear.
we don't understand what you mean, Alicia.
Hello.
They now go rush it to the office.
Yeah guys, so we finally arrived at Norman Manley International Airport.
Good afternoon. If you are traveling on United Airlines flight 1400 to Miami and have unassisted device crossing or show up, please see me at the podium now to have them tag. Thank you.
Take out your best.
They must have discussed here, Salam. Yeah, people, now is the time. Oh, see that West Street. Holy West Street. Yeah. You have a specific number?
Yeah?
You have a specific number?
No, man.
You just join any line?
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay, wait a moment. But did you check in online?
Yeah, we check in online.
Oh, so you have roughly back.
But why the man takes us like gate 2? What this
Yeah, man,
mean?
that's the gate. That's the
That
gate to the
different.
flight of a boat. Yeah.
Oh, that different.
To the flight of a boat.
Alright.
But security will find you when you go around them.
The security with him.
52?
Just good now?
Yeah, just go so on next one.
Yes, I'm in the first stop.
Yeah. Exactly.
Yeah.
Wow, that's good. So you see, I booked you in the
Oh, so go and join the line in the meantime.
yeah.
Really matter.
This week update was also updates. Here too.
I'll take a picture before we win. Expect somebody take it. Hello, you can do me a favor, please? Can I take a picture? Alright, take care. People, just cry, look at it. Miss my family, you see it? You can assist me, please? This is the right way? Yeah, man, the right way. Hey guys, so I think I'm going upstairs now to wait on the plane. I think they said the plane reached already though, but we just check in now. Yeah. Yeah, so we made it upstairs. Got a passport. Yeah. Yeah, we made it upstairs. Yeah, so what the next procedure? What the next procedure? Just go and wait here. No. Oh, look for my gate number.
Yeah, gate number. Should be on your ticket. Should be on the pass the gate.
This?
Gate number 2.
Alright.
Keep going straight down and you'll see direction.
Alright, thank you. Yeah guys, I'm trying to find my gate. It's gate number 2.
Recent flight of the Super 1 to Toronto, Canada. We'd like to welcome Silver Ward members and get seated in to board now at gate number 2.
Hello. Fine. Reach me now. Hello. You have any idea? I'm making me stop and do nothing because the flight kinda I get late, right?
The steps?
Yeah, I get late, so I can't buy enough feed, right?
So this have like 3 different time panels. What time of boarding time?
Oh, it look like it shows when I reach that time, you know?
Yeah, but 3:30 boarding time?
Yeah.
Alright, yes, so the time at the gate are left.
Alright, go on. What time now stop then? Alright.
Come here, sir.
Hello, which way should I go?
We're straight downstairs.
Straight down here? Whoa! Remove the fan gate too. You sure? Straight down?
Question?
Yeah, I'll get 2 you depend on? Yeah, it's my first time, I don't want to miss my flight. Yeah, I don't want to miss my flight. You're going to?
Yeah, that's it.
I'm going to buy a meal for me. I said, no, I just don't want to delay. Yeah, so you go.
That's what it is,
Yes, sir.
Don't read up yourself. I used to live born here.
Okay.
First time I'm going to Canada. A couple years ago, right?
First time I'm traveling like this, leave my family, so I did emotional. But I will be okay, I'm not for myself.
You'll be fine. Trust me, you'll be fine.
Alright? I just feel the miss there, my mother and my daughter. Yeah.
It's just a part of the game.
Yes, real.
Western flight LA 241 to Canada would like to welcome guests seated in zone 3 to board now at gate number 2.
Always remember, you're at the gate 15 minutes before the departure time is good.
Okay. Tell them about a specific time when we cut off.
Close like 10 minutes before departure.
Okay.
But then it's 15. And I know some international flights it's like 15.
Yeah.
Some people do 20, I don't know.
Oh, so no, it's not that bad.
Yeah, it's not that bad.
Okay.
So all you need to do is like ensure that you are at the gate before. At least give yourself 20 minutes before the flight departs.
Yeah.
And you should be fine.
Alright. I guess next time I will know that.
Yeah, that's not important. You never get on it, oh. So it's not bad.
It's not
Why
bad.
not? Because holiday everybody's coming down.
Everybody coming down now.
You know?
Okay.
Someone else is saying
So we're
what's
thinking.
one your ticket to?
Zone 1.
1, 2?
Yeah.
Oh, zone 4, so after that.
Okay.
You're in zone 9. Let me see the picture page of the passport.
Yeah guys, so I'm finally going on the plane. I feel so good right now. Yes. Finally. Yeah guys, so I'm on the plane now. Father God alone, yeah man, God is the greatest. Yeah, we should have video now. Yeah, somebody told me something always have in a headphone. You live up right? It a lift, it a rise. Yeah guys, so I'm having something to eat right now. I can set it to chop my face.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Alright. Thank you so much, eh? You're captain. Respect the captain. Yeah, bro, respect, you know, we made it.
Yeah, that's right.
Oh, we in the city. Hello?
I'm going to get on it. When I'm coming back.
Get it.
No, when I'm coming back. Oh! him up, I'm kidding.
Yeah, it wasn't that bad. But it took that longer than that.
That's right. My brother, just like him, that's one. Yeah.
Welcome to Toronto. Yeah. Oh, so what is the, what is?
What is your favorite country?
Yeah, wow. It's an easy life we're dealing. Oh, you know have to walk, you see it? Yeah. All right, yeah, okay. So guys, it is 8:30 in Toronto, and it seems like it's day. There's still sunset out there.
You can tune into YouTube.
Yes.
Documenting.
Yeah, man, I can send it. I send a link. Cool? You feel chilly?
It's nice.
I feel like an AC. AC down here. That's how I feel. I feel like an AC in general. This is not bad, man. An AC. Yeah, AC. Up in Toronto town. Look good here? Wow. Yeah.
I don't like them.
Oh.
Don't like them. I never get used to them. Check capture alot on my screen is so tiny.
Yes, yes.
It has a good reach.
It's like it's a secret camera. That's why I make it so small. Yeah, but the quality is very good. Yeah. Open the door and down. You may follow him. Because you traveled before. So. Okay. Oh, so every time you change everything. Oh. Excuse me, what's the procedure?
Choose your language, scan your passport.
Alright. Yes. Yeah guys, so it's now time to collect my bags. Here's some of the back section. Yeah guys, so we finally reached now one thing and that's it. Yeah. But whenever I get to take the other part, I'm going to have to travel with a whole heap of suitcase people, see that? I have to travel with 3 suitcases, so it's hard to video them part, you see it? Yeah. Look who we have here. Finally. Yes.
Okay, so I have to confirm.
Big up. Is there a restroom? I want to use the restroom.
You want to washroom?
Yeah.
All the way down there.
It's far?
Down there's washroom. Ready or not?
Yeah, I'm ready. Yeah guys, so remember to like, share and subscribe. This is an epic vlog. We're here in Canada. Yeah, finally. See there. Look at your face pretty. Yard man in town. Yeah. Open it in town. Yeah, it look nice. I feel like somebody in America. I've never got America before, but the place is pretty. Yeah, people say what they outside now, you see it? Yeah man, open it in town. Okay. Okay.
Basically, when you come from the bar, she wants to show you the person.
Yes. Oh, so you know the driver.
So you come right here and I'll see 24 right here.
Okay. Hey guys, so we're waiting on the Uber right now. Waiting on the Uber. So it looks sexy though. Okay. them crooked out. Yeah, it'll be a big vehicle. I eat this, babe. It's coming now?
Yeah. Not that one, but it's behind. It's coming this way. Because it's one way, right?
Okay.
So it's coming this way.
Auntie. Alright, we'll meet again. Come on, big up, man, big up. This is my wife. Yeah, this is my wife. She was on the plane.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. No, she live here. Yeah, she live here. Yeah, and me, you did take a picture now, remember? Yeah. On this one. Alright, Auntie, take care. Yeah, bless. Alright.
I-download sa yan yung Carpet Coffee Box Next Media. Good luck.